Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is March the 6th, 2019, the home of the 2-minute price prediction, as well as give me all the news according to the charts. We're going to talk about Aurora Cannabis today and how the market saw some euphoria yesterday, all because of an analyst said that this particular company was a buy. And the market yesterday shot higher, up about 12% yesterday in the market. But you can tell that today the market definitely is not like the news that it's seeing yesterday. The market definitely continues to show some weakness, and we will talk about that a little bit more. But first, I have to tell you all that if you do appreciate the video that we are producing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you all become notified of when we create this particular type of content and upload it here to this particular platform. If you like the video as well, you see how easy it is to predict price movement. Go ahead and like and share this video too, because we're here to give you all the news according to the charts, as well as our price predictions of the price move we're expecting these securities to go without causing you any confusion, as well as saving you a lot of time. Now let's go ahead and get started in our analysis for Aurora Cannabis. The last time we did our video for Aurora Cannabis was on the 1st, and we said that the market in Aurora Cannabis was weak and that we were expecting this stock to continue to move to the downside. Okay, so we did our video here on this particular day, and we said that $7 will be the first area of support. And on the 4th of March, the market came all the way down to $7.01. Go back and check out our video. It was on March 1st. It is still posted on our channel, so you can go ahead and verify exactly what we said on that video. Then the market shot all the way up there to that resistance area of $8. And today you can see here that the market definitely got hit with a lot of sell orders, pushing this particular stock down to lower prices, down 2.59%. The question now needs to be asked, where is Aurora Cannabis going to go? So we're going to give you our next price prediction or price move that we're expecting Aurora Cannabis to go. And we're first going to look at the weekly chart for Aurora Cannabis. And as you can tell that the volume over the last, I will say the whole half of 2019 has been on increase. This particular stock has not seen this high volume ever since it's been listed here on the New York Stock Exchange. So either the market is absorbing a lot of this selling from this diluted shares that this particular company has issued, or we will see a very severe drop downward in price. Right now, we don't see that occurring, a severity of a movement lower in price, but I can definitely tell you that the market definitely is giving us some weakness right there around that $8 price. Okay, so you got to keep your eyes open on that resistance area, because $8 is still resistance. It is still plaguing Aurora Cannabis from moving to the upside. Looking at it on the daily price chart for Aurora Cannabis, today was definitely another indication that the market is weak and resistance is at $8. I can't emphasize that enough to each and every one of you, that you need to pay attention to the market in Aurora Cannabis breaking above $8 until that time, meaning on a consistent basis, 2 days consecutively, to where Aurora Cannabis is able to close above $8. This market is going to hug that $8 as resistance. Okay, so today the market is showing us that it is still giving us some weakness. We saw a lot of volume on today's daily price bar, but in order for us to see a continuation of higher prices from the 4th of March, Aurora Cannabis cannot break below $7.50. Okay, so that is the next support area in the market for Aurora Cannabis. Now, as you all can tell here on this 3-hour bars, the market in Aurora Cannabis is still weak. We just had concluded today's trading day, so we're really not done with lower prices. So I wanted to tell you all that ultimately Aurora Cannabis cannot break below $7.50. The weakness is still coming into the market, albeit someone in the market absorbed all of the selling that came in on that 3-hour bar. So I'm not expecting Aurora Cannabis to really move that low. That's why I'm telling you all that $7.50 cannot be broken to the downside on the close. Okay, as long as we trade above $7.50 in Aurora Cannabis, we are still forecasting this stock to move to the upside. But the current move right now is movement lower. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you all to be on the lookout for $7.50. Before I go, you can see right here, as a matter of fact, that this is where the resistance area lies in Aurora Cannabis. Okay, the market at the last time could not even break above this line. So as we go forward, I'm going to go ahead and try to keep this line here for you all as a gauge to see how high Aurora Cannabis has to break in order to see continuation higher in price. Until then, this stock will move lower. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and extend it out to the right side real quick. And we're going to use this as our gauge. Now, our analysis is for Aurora Cannabis to continue to move to the downside. We identify $7.50 as a support area. As long as we trade above that price, Aurora Cannabis is still preparing itself to break above $8. There you go. Nice and simple, easy to understand, and not causing you a lot of confusion. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion about Aurora Cannabis. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and make sure you guys go ahead and check out our HueFinancial.com website. There we got a lot more articles, blogs, and other things that we are not placing here on YouTube. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.